Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for CompTIA Server Plus SK0. You can download the complete list of CompTIA based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Server Plus SK0 is: can you discuss the importance of server room physical security and what measures do you implement to secure server rooms? Your answer should be: physical security measures for server rooms include restricted access with biometric or card based entry systems, surveillance cameras, environmental controls, and securing racks and cabinets. Access logs and monitoring help track entry and exit. Our next interview question is: how do you conduct server performance tuning to optimize server resources and improve efficiency? Your answer should be: server performance tuning involves adjusting system parameters, optimizing configurations, and adjusting resource allocations to achieve optimal performance. It may include adjusting CPU affinity, memory settings, disk I/O, and network configurations based on workload demands. Our next interview question is: what are some considerations when designing a disaster recovery plan for server systems? Your answer should be: disaster recovery planning involves identifying critical systems, defining recovery time objectives RTOs and recovery point objectives RPOs, establishing backup and restoration procedures, implementing redundant systems, and conducting regular drills to test the effectiveness of the plan. Our next interview question is: how do you address server scalability in anticipation of increased workloads or business growth? Your answer should be: scalability involves designing server environments to handle increased workloads. This may include deploying additional servers, implementing load balancing, optimizing code efficiency, and leveraging cloud services for elastic scalability. Our next interview question is: can you explain the role of server certificates and SSL TLS in securing server communications? Your answer should be: server certificates are used in SSL TLS protocols to establish secure encrypted connections between clients and servers. They authenticate the server's identity and enable secure data transmission, commonly used in web servers and email servers. Our next interview question is: how do you manage server configurations in a large scale environment and what tools do you use for configuration management? Your answer should be: configuration management involves maintaining consistency and control over server configurations. Tools such as Puppet, Ansible, or Ceph can automate configuration tasks, ensuring standardization, version control, and quick deployment of changes. Our next interview question is: what role does DHCP, that is, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, play in server environments, and how do you configure and manage DHCP servers? Your answer should be: DHCP automates the assignment of IP addresses in a network. Configuration involves setting lease durations, defining IP address ranges, and specifying default gateway and DNS server information. Monitoring and logging help manage DHCP servers effectively. If you are preparing for any CompTIA based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.